Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Zofec Infotech Private Limited. Today we will showcase you the unboxing for RackStation RS3621xs Plus. It's a Synology 12-bay NAS. So as you can see that it's a 12-bay rack server. So just we will try to showcase you the back ports you can see over here, and this is the accessories, power cords, installation guide, power cord. You can see that a charger power cord. Yeah, this is the exhaust fan for cooling. Back port you can see here, 4 LAN port and 2 specific 10 gig port, one COM port is it for taking the console of this 12-bay NAS, 550 watt exhaust. We will showcase you the front view of the NAS. Just a second. Here you can see 12 slots for SAS hard drive. I'll let you know by opening one hard drive over here. In this way you can open it. You can remove the socket, and in this you can fit your hard disk, and yeah, it's quick and play. Here you can see the buttons: switch on button, restart button, a quick status button of your NAS. So thank you. This is just an overview of unboxing of 12-bay NAS. We are designing this solution for one of our customer, nearly about 30 TB. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.